Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ghost memberships with Stripe integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Ghost installed on your server. Log into your Ghost admin panel. Navigate to the Labs section in the sidebar. Find the Memberships option and click on it. Enable the Memberships feature if it is not already activated. Next, go to the Integrations section. Locate the Stripe integration option and select it. You will see a button that says Connect Stripe. Click on this button to be redirected to the Stripe login page. Log into your Stripe account or create a new account if you do not have one. After logging in, grant permissions for Ghost to access your Stripe data. Once you are redirected back to Ghost, your Stripe account should be successfully connected. Next, set up your membership plans. Go to the Membership section again and click on Plans. Create a new plan by entering a name, description, and pricing details. Choose whether the plan is free or paid. For paid plans, set the pricing and billing frequency. Save your settings after entering all the necessary information. Now, customize the membership sign-up process. Navigate to the Settings tab and select Members. You can adjust the sign-up form fields as needed. Make sure to include all important fields to gather necessary information from your members. Once everything is set, save the changes. Test the membership and payment process. Visit your site as a visitor and try to sign up for a membership plan. Ensure that the payment processes through Stripe are functioning correctly. If any issues arise, double-check your Stripe settings and connection. Once confirmed, your Ghost membership site with Stripe integration is now fully operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.